Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet. So let's dive into it. It's going to be simple and straightforward. So first thing to do is to go to facebook.com and sign into your account that manage your business page and lead form. So from your Facebook menu, go to the Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager to access your lead ad campaign. So from there, you have to select your page and click on Lead Setup under the All Tools or Lead Central section. So find the option to connect a CRM or integration tools. Then select Google Sheet from the list of available integration. So next thing to do is to log into your Google account. So authorize Facebook to access your Google Sheet by logging into your Google account and granting access or permission. So next thing to do is to choose your Google Sheet where you want the lead to appear. You can select an existing sheet or create a new one. So next thing to do is to match your Facebook lead form field like name, email, and phone number to correct the column in your Google Sheet. The next thing to do is to save and test the connection. So click save or finish setup, then submit a text lead from your Facebook form to confirm the data appears correctly in your sheet. And that's how you can easily connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheet. Hope you find the video helpful. Click on the notification button and subscribe for more.